is Jack with Two Goobers, One Hive. It's really hard to say that with a straight face, so it'll take a few videos to get used to that. So I've got two packages here today, and I've got two additional queens in these two boxes. So we're going to split our two packages here, and we're all going to put all these into 5-frame nukes, courteous of Barnyard Bees Designs. You should check them out, they're super good. Okay, so I'm just going to do it and not talk, because I'm not good at talking, I'm better at doing. I am going to go ahead and pop the cork on the candy end, since they have accepted this queen, and we'll check her in a couple of days, and if she's not released, we'll just go ahead and release her at that time. Alright, so this is the queen from the package, and this is going to be the introduced queen. So I'm going to dump into this box first and get it sealed up so those bees don't fly back to the original queen. I'm going to try to put a few more bees in here, since the ones flying should go into that box. So they're already crawling. I knocked this queen down, and they're already crawling on her. So we're just going to get them back and put our frames in, trying not to squish any bees. Squish bees are never a good thing. Alright. And I didn't bring a bee brush because I'm not prepared like that. But we've got our homemade top feeders here with some sugar water in them. And we're going to slide this on top of these bees. Again, trying not to squish any. So I've got the entrance closed off, so all the bees that are in there are going to stay in there. And we're going to set another box on top here to cover up our feeder. The top on it. And those guys are good to go. We're going to leave them in there probably about 3 or 4 days, depending on weather. And I'll go back and pull the cork on her and let them release her. And then these are going to be good to go. I'm going to put an entrance feeder on these and just let them do their thing. Check back in a few days and we'll have some updates on these guys, and I'm going to do these other boxes. Thanks for watching.